day 13, y'all. I can't remember, but I believe it's day 13. But we about to head out to the stores, and then I'm going to make my first attempt at making latkes. Latkes. I believe that's how you say it, but it's spelled Latkes, and it is a Hanukkah food. And again, I mentioned in my last vlog, because I do nanny a Jewish family and Christian family, so they're mixed. They are celebrating Hanukkah, and you know, I get to celebrate some of it with them. I know a little bit of the history about Hanukkah. I'm not fluent in it, but I do want to try the traditional food. I told them if I make it, I will bring them some. So we're gonna head out to Marshall's and Target, my favorite store, and then we're gonna head back home and try this recipe. So y'all hit that subscribe button, and this is our 13th day of Vlogmas. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we made it to Marshall's, and they have really cute gifts and stuff. So you know, we're just taking it in. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna get everybody for, you know, the holidays. Oh, I see a mirror.
You said people, not yourself.
Yeah, people for the holidays, not myself. Of course, not myself. But I'm just seeing some things in here. Slippers. Ooh, that goes in my robe.
They can't see it. I'm talking about it and they cannot see what you're talking about.
I'm talking to you. Yeah, I like this bag. You like this bag? We're gonna see. Now, what stockings with? So they got a small. I need to return these, but I want another pair. They actually get another pair of stockings or something else.
That's the first time you wore stockings in 9 months.
Well, the other pair were messed up too, so I haven't worn any stockings. Now we are headed to the towels because we need some new towels for the bathroom. We only have white towels in the house. Honestly, y'all, white towels ain't it. So he has his own, these gray towels, and then I'm gonna do the peach. Okay. Come here. So out of this one or this one, I like this one. Do that one? No. You're just saying that.
Why would I just say it?
Then now let's go see what's there for me. Hand soap to this. And we got a toothpaste. Okay, y'all, so I got my caramel. Alright, y'all, I swore they got rid of Pizza Hut in Target, but eventually they didn't. They have this little section that's like Pizza Hut hot food to go, and they have little garlic knots and pizza. Wow. Okay, so guys, we were gonna make the latkes. I still may make the latkes. Should I just go get an onion? Because that's really all we need to make them. An onion. Or I just might make the latkes tomorrow. I'll just cook tomorrow. I'm gonna do fish. And we have some eggplant parm still left over. I know it's like almost a week, but it's food in the house, and it's just been a long day, and I still gotta do my hair, so I'm just like, change of plans, change of plans. We just really just need to get out of the house, honestly. Hey y'all, okay, so we are back in the house, and it is a good Sunday. So before I get to cooking and to cleaning, I'm about to start the process of my hair. And yes, we are using curl products today, and I'm not gonna do the whole washing my hair in the shower today. I'm just gonna show y'all the styling process because I really need to be doing my hair on Sundays, and unfortunately the last time I did my hair was like on a Wednesday, and I really need to just focus on doing my hair on a Sunday. Okay, so before we get started, we are going to use this creamy curl cleanser. This is an old cleanser, but I really just want to use it. I'm like, The reason why I'm going to use this cleanser is really just to use it as like a shampoo, honestly. But then I'm going to go in with the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. And then want to go in with the hair mask. So let me just show y'all the products. You have the Reparative Hair Wash. We have our Blueberry Bliss Hair Mask. And then the biggest thing that I will be showing y'all today is the Ultimate Curl Brush. So this is by Curls. It's a new product of theirs, and it's a removable mix and match hairbrush, guys. So basically you'll be able to mix and match the bristles, and I will be giving this away because I already have one, but you get to mix and match the bristles. So if you wanted more of a detangling brush, if you wanted more of a curl brush, just different brushes, different bristles. If you needed like the thicker bristles, I believe are going to help with the detangling. The smaller bristles are going to help with just giving that definition of your curls. And you can make it any type of way you want. The density, the thickness, the spacing, it's really just customizable, and I will show you all how to do that. Okay, so pretty much this piece, you slide it forward, so it slides forward, and then you can click it back in, and then this part slides out, and then you're able to take out the bristles. So I really want to be able to tangle my hair. I don't want it pulling out my hair too much, and you could put 2 bristles in one, and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these bristles out. And it comes out from the back. Okay, so you take these bristles out, and then have these bristles that stay in. So when I look at this brush, my detangling brush, this looks very similar, and if I kept all the other ones in, it'll be more like this brush. So we're getting rid of using 5, 6, 7 brushes when we can just use one brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this back in, slide it back in, so you see it's not as dense, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slide that forward, and then now I have a detangling brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair again. I was gonna do the whole wash thing, but we're not gonna do that today, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm fresh out the shower. Hair is washed. As you can see, it's nice and hydrated. Yes, okay, and I had to clean up and all that other stuff, but we did the cleanser, which we also left in the Blueberry Bliss cleanser, which you left in for 10 minutes, and then I did the reparative mask, and I left that in for about 20 minutes while I cleaned the tub. And I did cover my hair because the fumes and all that, you don't want that getting up in your hair. So now I'm gonna style my hair. Y'all may see me looking down because y'all know I gotta do the real. But yeah, so far so good. My hair is feeling so soft, and it smells so good too, and that's just what I like when it comes to my hair. Okay, so let's get to styling. But I'm basically gonna do 2-strand flat twists, and I'm gonna have the hair going this way and down in the back, so then we have kind of like a bang going on. So y'all just follow along. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start off with parting the hair. So like I said, I wanted one half of my hair to go one way and the other half to go another way. Now I'm using a skinny comb. You can say a rat tooth comb for this because I want the parts to be really precise. So take your time with this because as you can see, my hair is not fully detangled. I like to detangle it section by section, sometimes in the shower, sometimes not, but this way I'm able to just get it exactly how I want it. Now again, it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it, but it was nice that the parts did come out as clean as they did. Okay, so now I'm going to style with the Sea Moss collection. This is the Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime. And with this slime, you want to use it on wet, damp hair, but you want to use it by itself. So you don't need a lot with this product. Sometimes people like to use a leave-in and a product. This one, you just need one product. And it has vitamin A, C, E, and K, and B, calcium, and a lot of other things that are going to really help your hair and give it that shine and that slip. And then we're going to take these curls rollers. These are also new. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the purple ones. With this, I am making sure that the twists are secured with the rollers, and these rollers you can get from Target or you can get directly from the Curls website, but I'm using these to curl up the ends because it really did make a difference when I took out my flat twist. And I'm going section by section with a big tooth comb, because if you use a small one, you are going to pull out a lot more hair than you would want to. So a big tooth comb, wide tooth comb, however you call it, is really good when separating your hair. And then again, we're using our detangling brush, and this brush was so amazing. It didn't take a lot of my hair out, but I definitely would probably do less teeth in the brush as well. But I'm just going section by section, and as you can see, I'm doing my flat twist. All of them go in one direction and making them really flat and nice and beautiful. Now, if you're like me, I'm not the best at making these flat twists tight, so I do like to go in with bobby pins, and that's just going to secure it, so make sure that everything is nice and dried when I do take it off. Like, I wouldn't suggest doing your hair at 11 o'clock at night thinking it's going to dry by 6 in the morning, but for the most part, if I did this style a little earlier, the curls would have been really more defined, especially because I was using the bobby pins to keep it tight. So keep going. Your arms may get tired, but this style came out really, really nice, and it definitely lasted like all week, especially with just making sure that you're tying it up the right way. Okay guys, so I just finished my hair. It is all twisted up, and this is going to be the style at least for 3 days. I'm praying this lasts for 3 days, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and go and get in the tub. Y'all probably see a little bit of that. Y'all probably see the food that I made. I made some tilapia. I'm about to finish making the lakis and broccoli and some rice. So I am done for the night. So if y'all want to see what this hair looks like tomorrow, just tune into Vlogmas, or y'all can go on my TikTok and y'all can see the full video. But yeah, so we're gonna finish off this night, and I'm gonna see y'all in a second. And this man keep yelling in here. He keep yelling. All right, y'all, so I just finished cooking dinner, and I'm so excited because I did the laki. Now, this is not how, you know, the Jewish make it, or anyone who celebrates Hanukkah. For the most part, it is. I think I just could have did a little better with the shredding of the potato, and that's why we're gonna get a shredder for the next time. But I just want to taste a piece of the laka. Come on. We gotta say our grace first. Lord, bless this food that we're about to receive. Make sure we ask of you to watch over our bodies, our families, our health, our wellness, and, you know, continue to guide us in prosperity and everything in between. Amen. So I'm just going to try a piece of this laka real quick. With some laka, but with this one it has onion, and then of course I use my fried coating in my flour, so I just made a little remix to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip it. You could dip it in like sour cream. I heard applesauce, other things, but I'm gonna just try it by itself first. It's pretty good. How you like it, Poppy?
It's good.
It's good. I'm gonna add a little bit of the garlic on there. It's good. Okay, this is really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food, but I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this vlog, day 13 of Vlogmas, and then y'all can see the plate real quick. So we got the rice pilaf, broccoli, our tilapia, garlic lemon tilapia, and then our laka. So I hope I'm saying it right, but y'all, I gotta go. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.